Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, in the last video we have started chapter number 11 Algebra for class 6th. We have started exercise 11.1 and we have completed up to question number 7. Now today in this video we are going to begin with question number 8 for the same exercise students. So without any further delay, let's start the exercise as the basics of the exercise is already clear to us. So students, question number 8 in your textbook. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. So students, suppose Radha is 20. So students, if Leela's age is 20 years, if Radha's age is 20 years, what will be Leela's age? We know that Leela is 4 years younger than Radha, na? So if Radha's age is 20 years, 20 less 4, how much? 20 minus 4, 16. So age of Leela will be 16 years. In the same manner, here we have to write, let Radha's age be, is it given? Yeah, let Radha's age be x years, okay. Then Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Therefore, Leela's age will be whatever is the age of Radha, we are going to subtract 4 because Leela is 4 years younger than her. And so here the rule will be x minus 4 years. Okay students, now let us see question number 9. Mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave away is L, how many laddus did she make? Okay students, now in simple words, mother has made laddus. She has given the laddus to guests and all, and the number of laddus she gave is L. So let the number of laddus mother gave away is 12. Okay, but after giving L laddus, still how many laddus are remaining? 5 more laddus are remaining. So number of laddus still remaining is 5. Okay, then therefore total laddus mother made, she distributed L laddus to the relatives, guests and all. Still after distributing, 5 laddus are left. So what is the final answer? The total number of laddus made by mother is L plus 5. Got it students? Next question, question number 10. Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. So big box is there, you have to transfer the oranges from big box to the small box. When a large box is emptied, the oranges from it fill 2 smaller boxes and still 10 oranges remain outside. So students, when we empty the oranges from empty box to smaller box, so one large box fills 2 small boxes and still 10 oranges are remaining. So what we have to do here, if the number of oranges in a small box are taken to be x, what is the number of oranges in the large box? Okay, let us see. So what I have written, let the number of oranges in the small box, how many oranges are there in small box? Here we are asked to assume it as x. Okay, fine. Then one large box fills 2 small boxes, isn't it students? So one large box fills 2 small boxes, that's why I have written 2 into x, that is 2x. Then and still oranges remained. How many oranges remained? 10 oranges remained, isn't it? So number of oranges in the large box is 2x plus 10. Got it? 2 small oranges in 2 small boxes and still 10 oranges are remaining. So our final answer is 2x plus 10. Got it student? Yeah. Now this was question number 10. Question number 11, no need of doing it. So with this question number 10 we have completed exercise 11.1 students. I hope each and every question is clear to you. Now for exercise number 2 again the same rules we need. Okay, exercise 11.2 is again based on the same rules. So note it down, then we will start exercise 11.2. So students, exercise 11.2 question number 1. The side of an equilateral triangle is shown by L. Express the perimeter of the equilateral triangle using L. First of all students, what do you mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle is such triangle which has all the 3 sides equal, isn't it? Here in this question we are asked to take one side of equilateral triangle equal to L. So I have taken here, let the side of an equilateral triangle be L. This is given in textbook, that variable only I have taken. Then what we are asked to find? Here we are asked to find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle whose one side is equals to L. So students, how to find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? We have studied this in mensuration chapter. Now what is the formula to calculate the perimeter of equilateral triangle? It is 3 into side. So here side is L. So the perimeter will be 3 into L, means 3L. See how easy it is, isn't it? Okay, question number 2 we are going to see, students. The side of a regular hexagon. Now what is hexagon? A 6-sided figure is known as hexagon, and if regular word is given, that means each and every angle and side of the given hexagon is equal. Okay. The side of a regular hexagon is denoted by L. Yes, hexagon is drawn also, you can see just next to the question, and each side is showing L. Express the perimeter of the hexagon using L. So let us see, students. First step, let the side of a regular hexagon be L. Each side is L only. Number of sides in a regular hexagon. Total number of sides in a hexagon are 6. Then its perimeter. What will be the perimeter of regular hexagon, students? It will be 6 into side, and what is given for side here? 6 into L. So the perimeter of the regular hexagon will be 6L. Got it? Okay, next question we are going to see. Question number 3. A cube is a 3-dimensional figure as shown in figure 11.11. It has 6 faces and all of them are identical squares. We have already studied about solid shapes. Now cube is already clear to us. Then the length of an edge of the cube is given by L. Okay, fine. Edge means side. So here the length of each side of the cube is given by L. Find the formula for the total length of the edge of the cube. So students, if it has 6 faces, how many edges a cube has? A cube has 12 edges. Let us see. So let the length of an edge of a cube be L, as given in the question. We have assumed its edge equal to L. Then number of edges in a cube. A cube has 12 edges, students. Okay, and if one edge measure L, all the other edges will also measure L only. Okay, then therefore formula for the total length of the edges of a cube, and we know that if we are talking about a cube, it's all sides, all edges will be of same length. So here the formula will be 12 into L, which will give us 12L. So the total length of the edges of a cube is equals to 12L. Okay, students. Let us see 4th question now. The diameter of a circle is a line which joins 2 points on the circle and also passes through the center of the circle. Again, not a new point for us. We very clearly know what is diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is just the double of the radius, in simple words. Okay. Then AB is the diameter of the circle and C is its center. Here just next to the question, one circle is given. There AB is the diameter and C is the center of the circle. Then what we have to do here? Express the diameter of the circle equals to express the diameter of the circle D in terms of its radius. No problem, students. So as given in the question, let the diameter be D and the radius be R, and so diameter we have to express in terms of radius. So we know that diameter is equals to 2 into radius. So this is just our answer. D is equals to 2R. Whenever you want to find the diameter, radius is given, you can multiply 2 with the radius, you are going to get the diameter. Then question number 5, basically it has associativity property of addition. We have already studied this property in the earlier chapters now, so you just can go through this question 5 by yourself and simply practice. So students, with this we have completed exercise 11.2 also. Now in the next video we are going to see the next exercise, that is exercise 11.3. That's all for today. Thank you.